Hey guys, thanks for watching this unboxing video of the 1/4 scale Athena figure manufactured by Kidslogic. There is no guideline or handbook in the box to tell you how to assemble this, but honestly it's pretty easy. So it comes with a speaker, which you can install it into the base, but since I don't really need that, so I didn't put that in. The painting is really nice. You can tell by the reflection on the armor and the shadowing. The hair detail and the curve of the dress is also really cool. And I also love the weathering on the base, which is a very good add-on to the figure and make it very outstanding. So the price for this figure including the shipping cost is $1,200 US. It is really not cheap. This company is not making a lot of this figure and I believe they only limited to 1,000 pieces. Please correct me if I'm wrong. But the quality and the outcome of the figure is really cool. So, if $1,200 doesn't bother you a lot, I think this would be one of the best collections.